biologics, as you may know, are made in a living cell, which is why we call them biologics. And the cell is reprogrammed with new genes to make the cell create the medication. So in the case of autoimmune disease biologic therapy, they're mainly making an antibody that attaches to a specific signal, a cytokine or a receptor in the immune system that will stop or shut down the disease. Biosimilars are basically follow-on biologic products. They are themselves biologic products, and they're made with the same blueprint that was developed by the biooriginator or so-called brand name biologic. If you care to Google or read the prescribing information for a biosimilar, which is basically a highly regulated by the FDA document for a drug company that's making a product that's FDA approved in the US, you'll see it looks almost exactly like the reference biologic prescribing information. And that's because they're the same compound and they treat the same diseases generally. Once they are approved, FDA looks at all the data to look for whether these diseases can be expected, the drugs can be expected to treat the same diseases that the brand name or reference biologic treats. Biosimilars have the same name. They're the same strength and dosage. So if, for example, adalimumab is given in a 40 milligram shot for many people, smaller doses for children, larger doses for various diseases, and it's given every week or two, generally by subcutaneous injection. Biosimilars are going to be the same strength, same dosage, same frequency. So all those things are similar. I want to let you know that since 1998, since we've had biologic drugs, the cells that make those drugs themselves are living cells and have changed and reproduced. And so that environment is not exactly the same as the initial 1998 and 1999 environment that was making the first version of the brand name. And so in my view, biosimilars are probably in many cases more similar to a reference biologic now than that reference biologic is to its original batch back in the 90s.